Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy vector seamless pattern in Matisse style in Adobe Illustrator in just few minutes. Let's open Photoshop and do some sketch. Start to draw shapes like this, very simple. So guys, if you finished your sketching, save your file and open a new artboard in Adobe Illustrator with this size and draw a rectangle and name it as background. Give it a color. You may give a gradient color to it. And then create another layer for drawing. And then the third layer for sketch. Then lock the sketch layer. Paste your sketch into second layer, lower the opacity to half and lock it. Then start to trace the objects with curvature tool. Select any color. After, we will give them other colors. For these objects, create ellipse, change its fill to stroke and make the stroke width wider. And also you can use width tool to give it a shape. Then select it, go to Object menu and expand appearance. To draw this object, use curvature or pen tool. Then use anchor point tool to make its shape smoother. Then select both of the objects. Use shape builder tool to make a hole in it. Press Alt and left click the mouse. After tracing all of the objects, give them colors. For this, just select the object and the color in it from the swatch panel. Then place them closer to each other and prepare to make a pattern. You may resize any object if you like. Just select it by holding Shift key and left click of the mouse. Drag it from the corner and give it the shape you want. Then select all of the objects, go to Object and then Pattern and then click Make. Choose the grid you like, press Done. Then save your pattern on swatch panel and voila, your seamless pattern is ready.